Knurling is a manufacturing process that involves creating a pattern of small, raised ridges on the surface of a metal object. This process is typically used to improve the grip of a tool or component, making it easier to handle and manipulate. Knurling can also be used for decorative purposes, adding texture and visual interest to a product. The knurling process involves pressing a pattern of small, diamond-shaped teeth onto the surface of a metal object using a specialized tool called a knurling wheel. The teeth on the wheel are pressed into the metal, creating a raised pattern that provides additional grip. Knurling can be performed on a wide range of metal objects, including screws, bolts, handles, and knobs. In addition to improving grip and adding visual interest, knurling can also help to prevent slipping and reduce wear and tear on a product. This is particularly important in applications where a tool or component is subjected to heavy use or exposure to harsh environments. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality metal components for a wide range of industries. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and resources to provide custom solutions for even the most complex manufacturing challenges. As a leading provider of knurling services, Berkness Company can help customers improve the functionality and durability of their products. Whether you need knurling for improved grip on a tool or decorative purposes on a component, Berkness Company has the knowledge and expertise to deliver high-quality results. To learn more about Berkness Company's knurling services and other manufacturing solutions, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. With a team of experienced professionals and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is the ideal partner for all your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is knurling and what is it used for in manufacturing? Knurling is a manufacturing process that involves creating a pattern of small, raised ridges on the surface of a workpiece. This is typically done using a knurling tool, which is pressed against the workpiece and rotated to create the pattern. Knurling is often used to improve grip or traction on a surface, or to create a decorative effect. 2. What materials can be knurled? Knurling can be done on a variety of materials, including metals like steel, aluminum, and brass, as well as plastics and other materials. The specific material being knurled will affect the type of knurling tool and technique used, as well as the final appearance and texture of the knurled surface. 3. What are the different types of knurling patterns? There are several different types of knurling patterns that can be used, depending on the desired effect and the material being knurled. Some common patterns include straight knurling, diamond knurling, and diagonal knurling. The specific pattern used will affect the appearance and texture of the knurled surface, as well as its grip and traction properties. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.